Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought it would be fun to use the new Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette. I just picked this one up at the recent Nordstrom sale when they had 25% off. I purchased this. I got another one of her lip cheats because I showed you guys my lip pencils like this. So I need a new one. And I also picked up a mascara. I feel like this is the one that I fell in love with at, I think it was at Marshall's or something that I picked this up. So I'm gonna try it again today. So I'm just about out of my Dior. I might just use it on my lower lashes for now. And we're just gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna do swatches because I don't do that on my channel. There's other channels if you wanna look at the swatch thing, but I'm not doing that. I hope that's okay, because I really don't care personally when I see people do swatches. I really don't care what they look like on your arm. I really just want to see what they look like on your eyes. I wish this would just be a permanent part of her line. I wish these companies would stop doing the limited edition. But I have her, I think this was the 2018 palette from Christmas. I have her 2019 palette from Christmas. And I saw this one, and what attracted me to it, not only the colors, but I also liked that it has a lot of matte shadows in it. These are all of the colors. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to turn my light down. So I turn my light off so you can see. I'm covering up the mirror so you don't see my camera. But really, really pretty colors. This palette is made up of mostly matte shadows. 8 mattes in this palette, which I think is really good. 4 shimmers. So it's mostly a matte palette with just 4 shimmers. And I like to mix and match. So I will use this palette probably with one of my other ones. I'm gonna start with this shadow right here. Now the thing about hers is she sets hers up like you could do a look with these 3, you could do a look with these 3, these 3, these 3. That's kind of how she sets it out. Although I would never use those. That would be too intense for me, but you could do that. But I just like to do my thing. I don't like anybody telling me what to do. I'm gonna use some of these today too, because I love my BK Beauty brushes, but I think I'm going to use my Refer brush first. And again, they sent this to me. This is the number 01. I'm gonna go in with this shadow right here. I'm just gonna go right up here by my crease. I'm gonna go in with this color next, and I'll use that one in my crease too. So I'm going to go with my BK Beauty brush this time. This one's a little bit fluffier than what I'm used to. And I'm going to go, this is my 202 brush. So I'm going to take that little bit of a darker brown and I'm going to go right here. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this right here. I am using my BK Beauty brush number 205. And I'm going right here. See how that makes a nice little, see how clean that is? This brush is fabulous because it makes it just so simple. So now I'm going to make sure that I'm blending it this way. I don't want to bring it out. I want to keep it right here. But look at how clean that is using that brush. I mean, it makes it so easy. Go right there. Blend, 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 blend. This is where I got to stretch my eye, girl, because Mama's got some sagging going on in that corner. See how it almost skips it? It's because I just have to slightly lift that up a little bit because otherwise I'm going to have a gap there. I'm just gently lifting. I'm not lifting that much, but I have to because otherwise this little spot right here, it will skip because my skin's sagging. I want to use Lisa's new brush. I'm going to use the number 207. I'm going to use that same color, but I just want to get in here and pack it in a little bit better. Because that dang area. The thing of it is too with eyeshadows, I try to do different stuff for you guys, and I feel like every time I do, then I have people that just want to see browns. But then I feel like, are you sick of it? Because I can wear browns every day, girl. Browns and peach colors, like that's my jam. But I could do that all the time, but I just feel like you guys want to see different stuff. So if I, every time I like do a purple or anything like that, I just, then I have people complain. So I'm going to go in and I think I'm going to take this color here, that creamy color, and I am going to use my BK Beauty brush number 203. Probably not showing you all the brushes. I will leave links below and you can go check it out. Oh my gosh, I love that color. That's really pretty. That is so So pretty. Much different than I thought it would look on my eye too. I thought it would look lighter than it does. And oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I'm going to do a little bit more. That's so pretty, you guys. Now for the under my eyes, I'm going to use that same brown color right there, and I'm going to go right on my lash line, and I'm using my BK Beauty smudge brush. Going right on. Ooh, that's intense. I'm gonna have to blend that. That's really intense. Do my lips, my pillow talk. I'm going straight across today for a change too. So I'm going to use my cream and sugar from Marc Jacobs. So this is the Up For Anything waterproof mascara from MAC. And I think this is the one that I really like that I got from Marshall's a while ago. But then I didn't think I couldn't find it. So I don't know, did they just come back with this? I don't know. But this is supposed to help. This is supposed to be good for people that have lashes that don't stay curled. And that would be me. So I'm just going to... My lashes are getting so long. It's so nice. It took so long. The brush is kind of interesting. I'll show you after I put it on. It kind of looks like a Christmas tree. You know, it's like thinner at the tip and then gets wider at the end, which is interesting. Ooh, I think I like this mascara. Let me show you what the brush looks like. See what the brush looks like? See, it's kind of like more thinner at the tip than the base part. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be playing around with this palette a lot more. I know I didn't do every color because, like I said, I don't do the swatch thing. Just wanted to test it out with you guys. I knew I was going to love it because I have several of her palettes already and I love them. The thing about her palettes, I feel like you can mix and match with your other palettes. So if you have one of her other palettes, especially the ones like this, you can totally work this one with it. I feel like there's a lot of different looks, like always with her palettes, and I don't have one of hers yet that I've actually hit pan on, and I use them all of the time. These are the ones that are in my little, I have my little case here, my little organizer that I shared with you guys. If I can remember, I will link it up there, that video that I shared. Look at those long lashes. Whoa. I love this palette. I think it's beautiful. I haven't used all the colors yet, and I will use them. I won't use this on camera because nobody seems to like that color. I love these colors. These neutral colors are so pretty. That's the thing, mix and match with these palettes. That's a nice one even to pack if you're going on vacation or whatever, which none of us is going to be going anywhere anytime soon. You know what I'm saying? Because of everything that's going on, but just saying. In the future, you can bring it with you if you travel. And the mascara, I love it. I might even put a little bit more on because I like mine really. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I like that my lashes are staying, and look at how freaking long my lashes are. Those are not fake lashes. Those are the real deal. X-Lash. I will leave the link below. I'm gonna have to order some more because I do not want to run out. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it. It really helps my channel. I really, really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just click that subscribe button. I share new videos every single week. Also make sure you click that notification bell too, because when I share a new video, you'll be notified. Otherwise, you may not know that I released a new video. You may not see that I have a new one, and then you're gonna forget about me and I will be really sad. Please make sure that you do that. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will leave the links below with everything that I'm wearing on my channel. One quick question I have for you guys too. Do you want me to share, like I just did the eye look, but if you guys want me to share more like overall looks, because a lot of times I will do an eye look and so many of you are like, well, I wish I would have seen the whole look. So if you guys want me to do the whole foundation, everything, it's going to be a longer video. So are longer videos okay? Because that means it's going to be a longer video. So if you guys don't mind and you don't mind watching longer videos, I know by how long people watch my videos, I'm trying to get better with my editing. On some of my videos, I can see that most of you guys don't watch the whole entire thing. If you do want me to show longer videos, let me know in the comments below. If you want me to show more like whole entire look and what I'm doing as I'm doing it, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And if there's any other topics that I haven't talked about, if there's any get ready with me videos and there's certain topics you want me to talk about, let me know in the comments also about that. I would love to hear from you. I have some skincare videos that are going to be coming up too as well. So I just filmed a couple of those. I'll be filming more, and I might even do a little fashion-y thing. We'll see. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I will catch you guys all in my next video.